Imagine the bright sun, crystal clear waters, and picturesque white houses. Yes, we're taking you on a gastronomic journey to Greece. A land steeped in history and culture, Greece is also home to a cuisine that's as vibrant and diverse as the country itself. From the tangy tzatziki to the sweet baklava, Greek food is a delightful array of flavors that will leave your taste buds dancing. So buckle up as we count down the top 5 foods you absolutely must try in Greece. At number 5, we have tzatziki, a refreshing and creamy dip. Imagine a blend of Greek yogurt, cucumbers, garlic, and dill, all mingling together to create this delightful Greek classic. Tzatziki is usually served as a side with warm pita bread or as a condiment for grilled meats. Its cooling effect balances the richness of the main dish, making it a favorite among locals and tourists alike. So next time you're in Greece, don't forget to indulge in some cool, creamy tzatziki. Moving on to number 4, we have dolmades, a delightful package of flavor. Dolmades are vine leaves stuffed with rice, herbs, and sometimes meat. They're delicately rolled by hand and steamed to perfection, creating a symphony of flavors in every bite. This dish is a testament to Greek culinary creativity and a favorite among locals and tourists alike. Its unique blend of textures and flavors truly embodies the spirit of Greek cuisine. A trip to Greece is incomplete without tasting the delightful dolmades. Coming in at number 3 and 2 are 2 all-time favorites, Moussaka and Souvlaki. Let's kick things off with Moussaka, a culinary treat that's like the Greek version of lasagna. This hearty dish layers fried eggplant, minced meat, and a creamy béchamel sauce, all baked to perfection. The result? A mouth-watering masterpiece that's both rich and comforting. Now onto Souvlaki. These skewers of grilled meat are a staple in Greek street food. Typically, it's either pork or chicken marinated in a mix of lemon, olive oil, and Greek herbs, then grilled to perfection. Wrapped in a warm pita with fresh veggies, tzatziki sauce, and a squeeze of lemon, Souvlaki is the ultimate grab-and-go meal. Both these dishes are a testament to Greece's love for simple ingredients and robust flavors. Their popularity isn't just confined to Greece. They've won hearts worldwide. Whether you're a meat lover or a vegetarian, Moussaka and Souvlaki are sure to satisfy your taste buds. And finally, at number 1, we have the sweet and crunchy baklava. Now, baklava isn't just a dessert, it's a culinary masterpiece that perfectly encapsulates the essence of Greek cuisine. This delightful pastry is made by layering thin sheets of phyllo dough, each sheet brushed with melted butter, and then filled with a mixture of finely chopped nuts, sugar, and spices. After baking it to a perfect golden brown, it's drenched in a sweet syrup made from honey and lemon juice. The result? A dessert that's crisp and buttery on the outside, sweet and nutty on the inside. Each bite is a burst of contrasting textures and flavors, making baklava a truly unforgettable experience. But what makes baklava the perfect end to a Greek meal isn't just its taste. It's the time, effort, and love that goes into making each piece, reflecting the warm and hospitable spirit of the Greek people. So when in Greece, make sure to save some room for the heavenly baklava. And there you have it, the top 5 foods to try in Greece. A quick recap: the refreshing tzatziki, the exquisite dolmades, the hearty moussaka and souvlaki, and let's not forget the sweet baklava. Each dish, a culinary adventure, waiting to tantalize your taste buds. So the next time you find yourself in Greece, don't forget to try these delightful delicacies. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more exciting content.